Hello, good morning to all. You know, now the time is going very hard because of the corona crisis. In that pandemic, all the teachers are taking their class from their home by using many apps like Google Meet, Microsoft Team, and Zoom. So, in all that, today I want to talk about the maths related some topics. You see, the topic is the pedagogy. What is it? And what is the role behind this nowadays? If the teachers are using the pedagogy, no one student get fear from the maths. Maths is the subject where the people are getting more and more interest. Let's know what is pedagogy. Pedagogy refers to the interaction between the teachers, student, and the learning environment. It means there is interaction between the teacher and the students, as well as the environment, the situation of this class when the teacher enters in the class. So second one is pedagogy most commonly understood as an approach to teaching. It is approach. Pedagogy is like approach which is used by the teacher for the good way to interact with their student and clear their problems. Like third one is example, for each will provide a greater insight into how you can apply different pedagogical teaching style to your own classroom. Every teacher has their own style. Every teacher are teaching as per their own style. So there is no way or there is no restriction while teachers are teaching in their class to use their style up to the understanding of their children. If we talk about the pedagogical system, so there are the 4 parts in that system. First one is worthwhile mathematics task. Second one is classroom discourse. Tools and representation. Non-threatening classroom environment. So all these 4 parts are very important in the pedagogical system while the teachers are using their pedagogy in their class. First one, worthwhile mathematics task. What we do in that? In that, the effective teachers understand that the task and the examples they select influence how the students come to view, develop, use, and make sense of mathematics. It means the teachers, how they use, how they create, how they put up their task, shows their task in the class to student easily grab the topic and the questions, because they get by the visualization, they get by and the understanding from some examples. So second one is teachers therefore need to be able to design, select and sequence of mathematical tasks. Teachers need to arrange or a sequence of their teaching materials while the teaching in the class, because the sequence is the matter where the understanding of the student, because every student has their own understanding. So if there is in a sequence way, so every student can understand easily whatever taught by the teachers in the class. So second की बात करते हैं. Second one, classroom discourse. What is that? It means the term classroom discourse refer to the language that teachers and students use to communicate with each other in the classroom. It means while the teachers are teaching in the class, maybe some questions or query occurred, then the teachers and the students are interacting each other. Student asking to teacher, and teachers clarify them. Second one, the talking or conversation is the medium through which most teaching take place. So the study of classroom discourse is the study of the process of face-to-face classroom teaching. Yes, this is a process where the face-to-face interaction during the class, but because of pandemic it is not possible, but teachers trying to do their best to feel them and teach them, at least they understand what it means and what is the meaning of that problem or that topic is. Okay, next, if we talk about the third one is tools and representation. From the word tools, it means effective teachers carefully select tools and representations to provide support for student thinking. Teachers are using many tools which help us, the student, to get the satisfaction of their query or some different examples. So the improvement in that, the importance of tool in assisting their student to make connection between the operation, concept and their symbolic representation. In that, the teachers are using various tools, various examples, live examples, which help us to clarify their doubts during the class, and that way the students getting satisfied and they visualize their concept for a longer period. If we talk about the fourth one, non-threatening classroom environment. In that, the first one is greet your student each day with enthusiasm. It means every student need your support. So find the something positive to say as much as possible or as much as time will allow for. You give all the time, all the day in the class, or you fixed the time like 5 minutes to 6 minutes every day in your class. You give them some positive views, thoughts and interact with them. That helps the student to generate the friendly environment between the teachers and the student, which helps in their study. So second one is provide students with time to share happenings, events or items with you. What are they? Even you set a certain time frame aside each day for 3 to 5 students to share. It will help to create a friendly, warm and welcome environment. Yes, every day it's not possible to take a part of every student of a class, but we make them team, make them peer group. This group will interact today, so it will gives us a friendly environment and it gives us a good environment for their teaching. Okay, now thanks for listening and watching my video, and like and share. it's very important whatever I talk today or whatever I shown in this video, because nowadays teachers are teaching very well and they are very energetic, but in a right direction. Thank you, class.